Most people think canceling Amazon Prime is as simple as pressing one button. But here's the truth no one tells you. The cancellation process depends on how you signed up, and missing that detail is the reason many users still get charged even after trying to cancel. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Amazon Prime in 2026 step by step, whether you're on mobile, desktop, or free trial. You'll also learn how to stop future charges and confirm your cancellation is fully completed. Let's start with the fastest method on mobile. Open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. This is important because many people like Alex accidentally switch between multiple accounts and think cancellation failed when they were simply in the wrong profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then go to Your Account and look for the Prime Membership section. Once you open it, you will see your membership details, renewal date, and payment status. Now here's where it gets interesting. Amazon does not always show a big cancel button immediately. Instead, it tries to offer alternatives like pausing your membership or switching plans. Do not get distracted. Scroll carefully until you find End Membership or Cancel Membership. Tap it and follow the confirmation steps. Amazon may show you a few prompts asking if you are sure or offering reminders about benefits you will lose. Just continue through until you reach final confirmation. Now let's talk about desktop because some users find it easier. Go to the Amazon website and sign in. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right. Click on Prime Membership. This will take you to your membership dashboard. From there, click Manage Membership. Then select End Membership. But here's the problem most people face. They cancel, but still get charged. That usually happens for one reason. They signed up through a third party like Apple, Google Play, or a mobile carrier. So let's fix that. If you subscribe through Apple, go to your iPhone settings, tap your Apple ID, then open subscriptions. Find Amazon Prime and cancel it from there. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then open Subscriptions and cancel Amazon Prime. Now here's an important detail most people miss. Even after cancellation, you usually still get Prime benefits until the end of your billing cycle. So don't panic if everything still looks active for a few days. Another key point is free trials. If you are on a Prime free trial, you must cancel before the renewal date. Otherwise, it will automatically convert into a paid subscription. Someone like Jake often forgets this step and gets charged unexpectedly. Also, always check your email after canceling. Amazon usually sends a confirmation message. If you do not receive it, go back and verify the cancellation status inside your account. If you still cannot cancel, customer support is your last option. Go to the help section on Amazon and request live chat. They can manually confirm or stop the subscription for you. So, here are the key takeaways. Always cancel through the same platform you signed up with. Never rely on deleting the app or logging out. And always confirm cancellation through your account or email. If this helped you avoid unwanted charges, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides just like this.